Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can create a baddie outfit on Roblox. So you'll need the extension for it, and you have to layer a lot of these outfits. So this is the body that we are going to be using. I'm just going to go to recents here, and then as you can see, I wore the purple elf assassin arm for the left and right, as well as the legs. Then you are also going to use the bazooka bones torso. Then you're going to layer this black bow top on top, and then you're going to layer this one again on top. Then you are going to layer some pants, some baggy pants, just to make it look thick. Then overlay it with a skin suit. It's going to look weird. Don't forget the puffy shorts as well. I kind of forgot about that. And then for the outfit, you can use any outfit you want here. It's not layered enough, so it looks really odd. But that is how you can create like a baddie outfit on Dress to Impress. You can use any pants you want. I do need to layer on some proper pants on that. But right now I can't. So yeah, that is it for this video. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. See, it doesn't layer, so you have to use the extension for it. Make sure you dress up like a baddie. I don't really know how to do that. So that is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.